Hello everyone, it's Dan here from Thomas Road Support. In this video I'm going to take you through how to create a single page style menu within Brailie for WordPress. So if you look at the demo, you'll see we've got some nice one-page options here, and these have some nice scrolling menu items. So unlike most pages where you've got a full menu which takes you to different pages and stuff, what you may want to do is have a nice single page style offering which just has nice links which take you up and down each section. Perfect. However, going through this and creating this kind of single page style navigation may not be something you've done before, so we're going to take you through the process now. So if we head back to our local demo, you see here we've got just a regular page with just a regular menu. What we're going to do is turn this into a one-page style one-page style page where each menu item takes you up and down the page. So to begin with, let's go to the menu area, and we're going to create a fresh menu. This will be the menu we use to scroll up and down, and we'll just call this Dan's One Pager, and we're going to set this as the standard navigation. So if we refresh, you can see there the navigation is now gone, which is exactly what we wanted because we've just put an empty one there. Okay, so what we're going to do first of all is give the areas we want to link to their own unique ID. This basically means if we want to have, say, a link to the top here, we'll give that an ID of home. If we want to link to this area here, we might give that an ID of about, and so on. Now, if that doesn't make sense, don't worry, I'm going to show you how it all works now. We're going to begin by editing the page. And for each section we want to link to, we're going to give it a unique ID. So the way we do this, we go into the section settings, and you'll notice an extra field here for row ID. So I'll call this home. For the area below that, I'll call this about me. And you'll notice I've put a hyphen in there rather than just a space. That's because these section IDs do need to be the right markup. If you're unsure about that, hit the link here and it will explain everything. Below this, where we've got some image galleries, I'll give this a unique ID of portfolio. And we'll give one more, this testimonial section here. I'll give that an ID of testimonials. And you can see what's happened already. In the page builder here, you'll notice each ID we've given has appeared here. And these are essentially the unique references that you'll want to give in your menu items. So for instance, if we want to create a link to the home section, we can either copy this or just simply retype it in our menu item. So if we go to that new menu we've created here, we'll go to custom links, and in the URL we'll simply type in #home, exactly like you see there, and we'll give it just home. And for the next one, as we can see, we've got hashtag about me, so we can copy this or retype it just like that. I'll call this about me. Next up, we did the portfolio area, so we'll go copy that and label it portfolio. And finally, we did the testimonial area, so we'll copy this and pop it there. Voila. So let's save the menu and let's save the page. And if we take a look, you'll see we've got a lovely navigation here. Absolutely perfect. Now the one thing the more observant viewer will notice when you click on each of these links, it does a nice smooth scroll, but it looks like it's scrolling to perhaps the correct position. It's a bit too high up. Now I've done this quite intentionally just to demonstrate another option we've got here to give you a bit more control. So to control this offset, so if you would like to have the scrolling position exactly as you want, head to the theme options, and under the site settings and global settings you'll see here smooth scroll offset. Now the default we've got this to is 90, which works really well. If I just save that and refresh the page, you'll see now as we link, none of the content is hidden and it's small, it scrolls perfectly. And that's something you've got complete control of. Perfect. Okay, well that's it. If you do have any problems creating a single page style site, or if this is unclear at all, do come see me over at support. Other than that, thanks for watching.